Research Group, Biogeochemistry and Forest and Soil Ecology. Environmental conditions and the chemistry of our planet would be very different without the activity of living beings, including ourselves. Unraveling this interaction between chemistry and biological activity is the objective of the branch of ecology called biogeochemistry, which is our scientific speciality. The Biogeochemistry and Forestry and Soil Ecology Group has extensive experience in the analysis of cycling processes and transformations that the elements and chemical compounds undergo in forest and agricultural ecosystems. The researchers study nutrients such as carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus and water, and pollutants such as gaseous compounds and heavy metals, assessing their effects on biodiversity and the productivity of the ecosystems. One of the group's lines of research is the analysis of soil pollution and degradation and options for its ecological restoration. It also works on the optimization of fertilization protocols and the analysis of life cycles and nutrient use efficiency in agriculture, particularly in olive farming. Another of the Biogeochemistry and Forestry and Soil Ecology Group's activities is the study of the impact of acid rain on forests and the sources and distribution of pollutants. Similarly, it assesses carbon sequestration capacity by forest and agricultural ecosystems. The group also assesses the impact of climate and land use changes in forests and develops forestry management protocols for their adaptation to these global change drivers through the enhancement of structural diversity and nutritional balance. Target sectors of the group's activity: agroforestry sector, efficiency in the use of fertilizers, integrated and ecological production. Environmental sector, pollution problems, environmental impacts, ecological restoration. Among the transfer activities developed by the group, of note are consulting activities for contaminated soil restoration, fertilization protocols, use of subproducts such as olive oil meal, carbon sequestration potential and sustainability in olive farming. It has also developed silvicultural practices for the nutritional and structural adaptation of forests. The research group has its own laboratory and also uses the Scientific Technical Instrument Center of the University of Jaén, including the experimental garden and incubation chambers for plant experiments. It has advanced instruments for routine and specialized chemical analysis of soils, water and plant tissues. For example, a flow injection autoanalyzer capable of processing large numbers of samples for nutrient determinations. It also has a CNHS elemental analyzer, a TOC TDN analyzer, and a gas chromatograph. The group carries out biotests on enzymatic and microbiological activity, such as those required by regulations under the R+D on contaminated soils. For field measurements, it has portable equipment such as an IRGA for measuring photosynthesis, equipment for measuring plant water potential and stomatal conductance, PAR, soil humidity, etc. Research Group, Biogeochemistry and Forest and Soil Ecology.